Hi, my name is Abhijith Kumar and I am from Bengaluru. I did my engineering in electronics and communication from Saptagiri College of Engineering. During my engineering, I thought of joining some embedded course. So I asked my senior and my friends also recommended about Emertxe. So I joined in the month of March. During the course, I gained valuable knowledge in the related of embedded systems. So in this course, the projects played a crucial role in enhancing my technical skills. I did around 8 projects, which really helped me to gain knowledge and crack the interview. All the mentors were helpful and knowledgeable. I got placed in February in Lgsoft India. So basically, Emertxe organizes Disha workshop where they teach us about resume building and how to enhance soft skills like presentation and how to prepare for interview, like how to tackle the questions. Interview preparation sessions were held. It is basically a type of revision that whatever we have studied during the course, which helped me a lot. Continuous guidance of mentors and student support team helped me to gain confidence and get placed in the company. I would like to thank all the mentors, student support team, and student success team who are involved in shaping my career. I would highly recommend to join embedded system course at Emertxe. Thank you.